at yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today I have the NORVINA Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that I did 2 eye looks with. My eyes are already prepped and primed. I used LA Girl Pro Conceal and Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Now let's get into it. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going into Incense, and I'm just going to tap both sides of the brush. A lot of product picks up on the brush. Tap it off, and I'm just going to go straight into my crease with it. Now I'm going to go into Eccentric, and Eccentric is more of a orangey brown, and I'm going to tap into it. When I'm feeling really lazy and I don't want to do eyeshadow, all I do is I take a brown bronzer, usually the one I contour my nose with when I do contour my nose. I take that bronzer, I put it in my crease, nothing on the lid, and it looks like I did a lot, and really I did nothing. Now I'm going to move on to Passion. I'm going to use the brush that came in the palette, the fluffier side. Now the easy part, I'm going to take the flat side of the Anastasia brush and I'm going to pick up Dreamer. You could honestly even use your finger. I got a little bit messy, so I'm going to just use my first brush again. And you can see the fallout under both eyes. Just going to use a makeup wipe, wipe it away, finish the rest of my makeup, and come back and do the bottom. I have a little bit of mascara right here. I need to let it dry before I pick it off. I'm going to use this Essence liner. I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm taking this black NK liner, and NK is from the hair store. And I'm just putting it in my waterline. These are the lashes I'm using, and I get these from the hair store. While my lashes dry, I'm going to move back to the palette, and I'm going to go into Eccentric with the fluffier side of the Anastasia brush and just sweep it under my lash line. I'm going to use a different brush. This brush is a little bit pointed and it's flat, and I'm going to go into Passion. Passion is right next to Eccentric, and I'm just going to sweep that under. Arielle Voluminous Primer. This is a lash primer. I'm going to do about 3 coats with this Maybelline Lash Sensational. My first look is daytime beginner friendly. Now on to the second. Now I'm going to start with my underbrow highlight, and I'm going to be using Base. Now I'm going to go into Love, and I'm using a fluffy brush. Soul is this really pretty purple. Still using the same brush, I picked up some more Love, and now I'm just gonna blend the two together. Now I'm gonna move to Celestial. Now I'm gonna go into Wild Child. I'm gonna try not to take it too far. Still using the same brush, I'm gonna pick up Incense. I wanted to use as many of the shades in this palette as possible. I'm lining my eyes with this Wet n Wild gel liner, Plum Together. Using the same brush I used on top of the cut crease, I'm going to use Dreamer. For under my lash line, I'm just going to use some Soul. So I'm going to take this Essence liner that I always use in every video. I finished look 2 off with everything I used at the end of look 1. And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys like me doing 2 looks with a palette instead of one. A simple one and one that's a little bit more dramatic. If you do, leave me a thumbs up and I'll continue to do them. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.